I know everybody wants to know how to make coloring pages. Well, here is a tutorial on how to make coloring pages using artificial intelligence or AI. Hey everybody, this is Ashley with Publish with Ashley, and sorry I'm not live today, but I had things to do, so I still made sure to make a video for you. I do a video every Wednesday on how to publish books on Kindle Direct Publishing, KDP, Amazon, and also how to do things on Etsy to make money online. Okay, so today we're going to talk about, I know everyone wants to do coloring pages, and one of the things is like coloring pages for toddlers or younger kids. And AI is really progressed. It is, if you haven't heard of it, artificial intelligence is it's a computer simulation that scrapes a whole bunch of pictures and things off the webs to kind of come up with its own unique design. There are different platforms. Midjourney, NightCafe is one of my favorite. Creative Fabrica has one. Also Canva has an AI generator. My favorite is NightCafe just because it offers me so many options and I have the ability to upsize it so that my that pixel quality is good when it actually prints in a book. So that's one of the reasons I like NightCafe. So I wanted to show you, I was playing around. I love doing color. You can see down here, I love doing color stuff. I love it. It's fun for me. And I try it out. So this, I started out with trying to get kawaii cat sleeping on a pillow. And it was like a cat actually on a pillow, which I thought was really funny. So I started going black and white, no color. This was me kind of playing with the word Zentangles because it kind of, I know Zentangles for adults is really popular. I did get some okay ones. I don't think it was as successful as I would have wanted it to be. I thought maybe this little cat here is kind of cute. He's black. His background looks good. I don't know. I didn't get really all that successful. The best I got of a Zentangle cat was this one, and it kind of is missing a nose. So I guess you could draw in a nose. It just wasn't what I was looking for. So I started to go with, has AI, increased to the point we can really make good toddler type younger kid type books. And I really think it has. You do get maybe some hit or miss or maybe some things you have to fix up, but I managed to get like a really cute cat. You can see his toes are a little funny, but you can fix that pretty easily in any drawing program. This pup turned out really cute. This cat, I don't know why it doubled. This dog was really cute. He's kind of missing the tips of his ears and his tail there, but that's something you could fix pretty easily with a basic, any sort of art design. I use paint.net. It's one of my favorites, but some of them are pretty good. This zebra's pretty cute all by himself. And then I started thinking, oh, well, what can I do to have something behind him? I started out with just trying to get a cute cow on this one and a cute cow on this one, and then get something behind the cow. I found that I'll show you what words I used for some of these and I'll actually demonstrate one. But you can see like this chicken is super cute. Now he's giant compared to the barn, but that doesn't matter. He's super cute. This cow right here is super cute. You could totally use those for children's books. I tried to do a unicorn with a rainbow behind it. There's no nose on the unicorn, but you could fix that. And it does maybe look a little bit like My Little Pony, so maybe don't use that. I started doing horses with barns. The horses did not turn out well. This was a chibi, a kawaii style girl with a house. I think sometimes it's interesting. You have to play with the prompts until you get something. Now, this was a chibi style girl coloring page, and this is where I got into the words coloring page that seemed to kind of get the style and feel I was looking for. This one is really cute. You just have to delete the extra wings, I guess this gave it. But then I started thinking about, okay, let's do backgrounds. One of the things I often have good graphics, but I don't have good backgrounds. And so this actually, I really think NightCafe or AI in general can be used to create backgrounds. This one right here, I created and I really like it. I think I might actually use this one. It was Rolling Hills with Trees. This was Rolling Hills with Trees. And the ones that, I'll show you the difference, but there's the ones that have one kind of style in NightCafe, and the ones that have four are a different style. There's DALL-E, which is a open source type algorithm that does this AI, and there's other algorithms as well. And this with the one is those are DALL-E, and then this one here is the Stable Diffusion. And so it gives me 4 for 1 credit. The nice thing about NightCafe is it gives you sign up and you get 5 free credits a day. So you can play with this for free, and it's really fun. And you can use these pictures in your KDP books because they are unique and different. The big thing to make sure of is don't ever start with something that's trademarked. You know, don't put Mickey Mouse, don't put anything trademarked in there. You know, this cow here, it's a kawaii style cow, right? It's not trademarked. This zebra, you know, it's a basic zebra. This chicken is definitely nothing trademarked, right? This cow over here is nothing trademarked. Even chibi style girls, it's a particular type of style. So unless it has the clothing or something that looks like an actual character, you're going to be fine. And then with backgrounds, you know, you can definitely use these backgrounds for your KDP books. But I think some simple characters you could actually use for coloring books with AI now. And this software is always getting more and more. And like last month, it didn't produce these results. So you're going to see as you play with this that you're going to get better and better. So let me kind of show you some of the words and talk you a little bit through NightCafe and how that particular one works. You can see that you can choose, you hit create, you can choose a creation method. This is the Stable Diffusion. What that basically means as far as stable is that it tries to create the worlds and graphics as how they should be. Like they won't put something above, like something wouldn't just float in the sky. It kind of has gravity. It applies kind of the rules of physics and science to it. Whereas you can see some of these more artistic ones, this is above the sky. There's clouds under it, right? It doesn't necessarily follow the laws of gravity. DALL-E is a little bit like that too. It creates more of a lifelike type images. There's also these other ones. This one is you just take your graphics and upload and change it into something. But really what we're talking about is these text to image algorithms to create something that is totally unique, these top 2. So let's start with, let's do one in DALL-E and we'll do the same one. So I have, this is kind of what I discovered works. Black and white, no color outline. I used a jungle scene, thin lines coloring page. So the things I found that worked really well is to put, where I have this highlighted, is to put something in there that you're trying to get. So black and white, no color outline of XXX coloring page. Okay, I found that for me, seemed to work good. So we are going to do, I want to try chibi. We'll see what we get. Chibi style. Chibi is a cute. It means cute in style. And we're going to make a cat coloring page. Do I want the cat sitting in front of anything? We're just going to try cat and see what we get. Okay. And we're going to use the same one in the other, just to see. You're going to get a different result each time. Oh, this is really cute. You might have to fix his little paws a little bit and maybe add some dots in there for eyeballs. Just a little iris in there. But honestly, that's really, really cute. Okay, so let me go here. I'll show you it a little bigger. That's nice. There might be some cleaning up you have to do, and you just get different things. I usually get cleaner with this, but I'm going to copy that. We're going to go back to create, and we're going to try the Stable Diffusion. One of the things about Stable Diffusion, I'm in the advanced mode. I don't know if I can get back out of the advanced mode. Let's see. Oh, show advanced options. So normally when you see it, it looks like this. And you can pick these different styles. But I found for when I want to create coloring pages, it seemed to work better if I actually just put it in advanced mode. The other cool things about advanced mode is that you can change your ratio. So let's say I want it more portrait, so more, vertical rather than a square. I can try that. So let's try that for this one just to see. You can start with an initial image, but I'm not going to do any of that. I'm just going to create it from the text. And with this one, actually, it creates 4. It's a cheaper style. It's a more developed algorithm, and so it does it. See, that didn't even work. Let's try it again, though. You never know what you're going to get, and it might be because I tried chibi style instead of cute cat. So we're going to try paste, and we're going to just say cute cat and see what we get. It's really about just trying stuff out and seeing what works. And I suppose a lot of people find this frustrating, but once you get a style that works or something that works, you can get different results. See, this, I think, with the stable diffusion gives you more of that Zentangle look, whereas with the DALL-E, I'm getting pretty much more what I asked for, basically a coloring page of a chibi or a kawaii chibi style cat, right? This gives me, actually, that's pretty, both of these. Let's look at a little bit bigger. This one kind of looks like a fox rather than a cat. That looks funny. This cat might be actually kind of cool as a coloring page, more of an adult than a kid's, but there's definitely some potential. Now, I did want to show you just what I put for like this one. This was used DALL-E, black and white, no color outline of rolling hills and trees coloring page. And that's a pretty good picture here. I might actually just erase this, and maybe I might even erase all the lines right here. I just go into an editor program and erase them, and then erase that random line there. And it would actually be a pretty good backdrop for a coloring page for something. But this is a way that you can have some original style art, some that you can use right away. Like this chibi style girl, she's really cute. I'd have to fix her hands, I think, but the rest of her, she's really cute. This chicken right there, I could use right as is. The cow I could use as is. I could probably, just some of these other ones I might have to add or change up a little bit. This little cat, I'd have to fix his toes, but that dog right there, pretty good to go right as is. And you could try it. I mean, for adults, if you're looking for just like, okay, which one has it? Oh, this one. So let's say you just want a cool like pattern or something to put in your adult coloring books. You could definitely use that. That would be original. You could use these. There's just different things you can do with these pages. So I just wanted to show you even things that you don't turn out well, like this horse did not turn out well at all. But I could erase the horse and then just draw the lines it's missing that it's covering up for the barn, which would be like 3 simple lines right there, and add them in. And I could use this barn as a backdrop. Same goes with this here. I could use that barn as a backdrop. It's a pretty good backdrop. And once I erase that horse, it really wouldn't be too hard to fix that drawing quickly to make it usable as a backdrop. So even things that you don't necessarily are going to use, there are ways that you can maybe utilize parts or pieces of it, or just play with it and try it. Like I said, NightCafe, if you sign up, you get 5 credits every night if you go in and claim them, and they're free, and then you could just try it out. The nice thing, like I said, it takes 1 credit for these DALL-Es, and then for the stable diffusion, you get 4 per 1 credit, or you can do a half, I think, for 1 picture for a half, but I kind of think it's worth getting all 4 pictures for your 1 credit. But that's what I wanted to show you, that I really think even some of these are going to get even better in the next few months. So even if you just get on there, get your 5 free credits and try a few different things every night, just 5 a night, you're going to see an improvement over time. It's actually really fun and addictive to try these out and see what interesting things you get. All right, if you want to see that one more time, this one that turned out cute, black and white, no color outline of chibi style cat coloring page. And I did that with the DALL-E. And so that actually came out to be a pretty good coloring page as is. It just would need some minor things to fix, and you could have a really great coloring page. All right, I just wanted to show you that. Thank you, and I will see you on my next episode. Bye.